set equality, we must go ahead and understand an important axiom. So set equality says that two sets are equal if they have the same elements. It does not matter whether the elements are repeated more than once or not. Once or more. We are only going to consider unique representations, which means I will only consider each element once. So take an example. Let's read this axiom first. A set is determined by what its elements are, not the order in which they might be listed, or the fact that some elements might be listed more than once. So we are not concerned with how many times the element is coming. We are only concerned with what those elements are. Consider the set A, for example. This set has an element 1. How much ever time it may appear. It has the element 3. How much ever time it may appear, and 5. So there are only 3 elements which are uniquely represented by this set: 1, 3, and 5. Consider set B, which has 3 elements to it: 1, 3, and 5. Based on the axiom, because both of them have same elements, 1, 3, and 5, we can say that the two sets are equal. So two sets are equal if they have the same elements: 1, 3, and 5. Now let's take this example. Set A has 3 elements: 1, 3, 5. Set B has 3 elements: 3, 1. Please make this 5. Oh, sorry. Set A has 3 elements: 1, 2, and 3. Set B also has 3 elements: 3, 1, and 2. Set C has elements: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now, equality is only based on the axiom which says that they should have the same elements. We are not concerned with the order of the element. We are not concerned with the number of times that the element is coming. So I am not concerned with whether 3 comes first or 1 comes first. I am not concerned whether 1 comes twice or just once. Are we having the same elements? The answer is yes. If we have the same elements, then those sets are equal. So set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. So we are not concerned with the order of the elements, nor with the number of times that they appear, according to the axiom that we studied. Now let's take another example. So this says, is 0 equal to 0? The answer is no. Please understand why. When I write 0 like this, I am saying that there is a set with 1 element in it, and the value of that element, that value is 0. Whereas this means that this is not a set, because it is not in curly brackets. So although this represents a set which has one element in it, the value of the element is 0, that element is 0, the second one 0 is actually not a set in itself. Therefore, these two are not equal to each other. Now please see this example. This is a set A. This set A is very unique because 1, it has an element 3 inside it. But secondly, it has another element inside it, which in itself is a set. So if you ask me what are the elements of set A, I will say that the first element is 3. And the second element of this set A is another set 3 inside it. Now, if I give you another set B, such that B is 3, 3, and I ask you, is A equal to B? The answer is no. Because they don't have the same elements. B has two, just one element in it, repeated twice, which is 3. A has two separate elements in it. One is 3 and one is the set 3 inside A. So A is not equal to B. So this is the set equality axiom.